Digital transformation has a deep impact on organizations. It may start as a strategic initiative or an accidental system implementation project for partial efficiency gain. It only ends when the entire organization gets transformed. A partial effort not only cannot realize benefits hoped for, but also leaves the organization off balance and in transition. Digital transformation is cross-functional. We cannot limit transformation to a single functional unit or area in the organization. Think about value chains. The figure on the screen displays a general value chain model. Functional processes are interconnected in the value chain. If we re-engineer the processes of a single functional area without adjusting others, we compromise efficiency gains. We only shift bottlenecks elsewhere by speeding processes in a single area, even if boundaries and interfaces between functional areas and support systems are clear. Because of cross-functionality, silos are incompatible with digital transformation. Automation of processes in one field involves interfaces to adjacent systems. Technology enables smooth information flow and information integrity, presuming we do not set barriers between functional areas. With integrated systems, we can preserve information integrity by capturing all data at the place of their origin and make them available to all. When silos hide their piece of the puzzle, they force others to fall back on decisions based on assumptions. Digital transformation shall be complete to work. If not the entire organization, the strategic business unit must be transformed to avoid bottlenecks, compromising overall benefits. While some units may pioneer the process, the vision of transformation must be complete. The goal of digital transformation is to realize the potential of the paradigm shift brought about by the advance of technology. An active cooperation and shared information replacing rigid functional boundaries is at the core of this change. Isolated, non-participating units halt the transformation unless they are redundant and should be dissolved. Mixing transformed and traditional units in the same organization leads to conflicts and tension. The choice is going forward, transforming the entire organization or halting the process and fail. The depth of change is also characteristic to digital transformation. Systems can help organizations to achieve desired results if stakeholders and contributors accept the new paradigm. Digital transformation provides means to share information and make decisions based on the same set of information at all levels. But to share information, functions must be ready to give up their power from the monopoly of information. This requires an approach the Arbinger Institute calls outward mindset. As shown on the figure on the screen, people with an outward mindset focus on common results instead of their partial interests. An outward mindset is essential for successful digital transformation. Technology only enables collaboration based on mutual contribution. It doesn't enforce it. As a corollary of requiring a complete vision and fundamental depth, digital transformation requires massive support from top management. Digital transformation cannot succeed as an isolated initiative of functional managers. We cannot interpret it as an implementation project for an information system. Software houses offer a wide range of solutions with the potential to facilitate digital transformation in one functional area or another. They also offer platforms to support the digital transformation of a range of functions, including the integration for smooth operation. But without the behavioral change, we cannot realize the benefits of transformation. Organizations, however, cannot achieve lasting fundamental behavioral change without a change in their mindset. A change so fundamental in return demands active involvement, support, and demonstration of leadership from top management. Digital transformation is a cross-functional strategic initiative requiring a complete vision and demanding fundamental mindset change. It cannot succeed without dissolving the status quo and accepting the paradigm shift behind it. Top management shall lead such a change. Transformation must involve leaders of all functions in the endeavor. At its core is re-engineering processes around redesigned business models. While we cannot reduce digital transformation to an information system implementation project or program, the Chief Information Officer of the organization has a specific role. We look closer at this role in the next section.